Hey, you made it out here. I was starting to think you'd gotten too cozy on the couch. Come on, grab a seat. I saved you the best spot by the fire. Perfect, isn't it? The stars are out. Fire's warm. Oh, and I may have gone a little overboard with the lights. Look at them, strung all along the fence. But New Year's deserves a little extra sparkle, don't you think? So, how's your drink? I made sure to keep the cider hot. Thought it would pair nicely with the cooler evening air. And don't worry, the grill's just about ready. We've got all the good stuff tonight. Burgers, ribs, and even those veggie skewers you like. I even made my famous spicy barbecue sauce. Well, famous in this backyard anyway. Here, let me turn the skewers for you. You know, the secret to good barbecue is patience, which, admittedly is not my strong suit. But for you, I'm working on it, okay? By the way, have you thought at all about your resolutions yet? I know, yeah. It's the typical New Year's question, but I'm curious. You've got this way of setting goals that actually makes me believe in them. No? Okay. I'll go first. Mine. I think this year I'm gonna spend more time like this. Just like simple moments with you. No stress, no rush. Yeah. What about you? That's a good one. I'll hold you to it, you know. I'll be your biggest cheerleader or biggest distraction, depending on the day. Oh, listen to that. The early fireworks are starting. It's not even quite midnight yet, but they're close. Let's grab our plates and watch them over there, yeah? That looks so good. Here, take this. And careful, it's hot. Take your silverware too. Ooh. Wow, look at that one. It's like the whole sky is lighting up just for us. Kinda makes you feel small, huh? In a good way. Like all the little worries from this past year don't seem so big anymore, you know? Hey, thanks for being here tonight. For everything, really. I can't think of anyone else I'd want to ring in the new year with. And here's to more nights like this, and maybe even bigger adventures. Happy New Year.